KPM.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? I see a cow, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. I see a cow, big and strong, eating happily. What else I can see? All right, now I see a goat and a sheep, goat and sheep, goat and sheep. I see a goat and a sheep playing together. I see a chicken and a duck, chicken and duck, chicken and duck. I see a chicken and a duck looking for food together.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Didik TV KPM. You're with me, Syafiqah Farahin Razali, for the whole 1 hour of today. And today we'll be learning kids about farm animals for preschoolers. But before we start anything, please remember to practice your SOP. Wash your hands frequently. If you don't have a sink nearby, just wear hand sanitizers and also wear your mask when you're outside of your homes. Right, just now you have seen the profile teacher for today. I'd like to welcome teacher Rahmah to the studio. Hi teacher.
Hi,
how are you?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Nice to meet you teacher.
Thank you, Fika.
For your info, our teacher today is the Guru Cemerlang from Sekolah Kebangsaan Minden Heights, Pulau Pinang.
Yes.
That's a long way from here, ya, Cikgu?
Yes, Fika.
Alright, teacher. What are we learning today? I know it's about farm animals. As you can see on the table, there's a lot of animals.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. But before that, let's first practice our SOP.
Okay.
Okay, let's wear your hand sanitizer. I would like to invite you to just wear the hand sanitizer here. Alright.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, for today, since we're going to learn about initial sounds, that means we need clarity from the mouth. I'd like to invite Teacher Rahmah to take off your mask and then perhaps put it in your pocket for the purpose of clear pronunciation. Alright, kids. There you go. As you can see, just now we found these animals, teacher. And then today, perhaps you would like to tell us what we are going to do.
Okay, thank you, Syafiqah.
Yeah.
All right. To start, okay. Now you have found some of the
animals.
Pictures.
Yes.
Let me see.
A chicken.
All right, good.
And then this one. Perhaps we'd like to ask the kids at home, what are this animal? First of all, with this, right, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this animal? All right, teacher.
What do you think is the name of the animal?
I think it's because it has a beak and
Yeah.
also something up there. It's called a chicken.
You are right.
I'm right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you get a reward after this.
Thank you, teacher. I love rewards.
All right, thank you. Okay, the next one. What do you have?
The next one. All right. We have this, kids. What do you think this is? Can you say the name of this animal?
What do you
Teacher.
think?
Okay. Can I guess?
No
Because
problem.
it has horns and also a very cute tail. Maybe it's a cow.
Yes,
Is
you're
it, teacher?
right.
I'm
Awesome.
correct. Again,
Now,
another reward, teacher.
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
Okay, now let me ask you.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, teacher.
What is the name of this animal?
Can I make the sound first, teacher?
Wow, you're so advanced. Okay, go ahead.
Because I always hear my parents say, if it makes the sound quack, 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 it's a duck, teacher.
You are right. Good job, Syafiqah. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, the fourth one.
The fourth one.
What is this?
Okay, kids, try to guess. What is this animal? What sound does it make? Oh. Right, teacher, something like that.
Yes.
Okay. I think perhaps teacher would like to share with us what animal this is.
This is called a goat.
A goat.
A goat. Okay.
Say it. A goat, kids.
A goat. Okay. What does a goat sounds?
A goat
What sounds that's a goat make?
I know something. Maybe can I just try, teacher?
Okay.
Maybe something like that.
Are you sure?
I think not really moo, because moo is a cow.
Okay.
Teacher, can you help me, please?
All right. Okay, I'm going to do the sound. Okay, goat.
Bear.
Or you can say bah.
Okay,
Alright.
teacher. Maybe the last.
The last one.
animal.
Okay, thank you, Shafika. And the last one, what do you call this?
It has a lot of fur.
Yes.
Actually, that's actually fur, right, teacher?
Yeah.
It's called fur. I think it's a sheep, teacher.
Yes.
It is?
You got it right.
With the sound, I know
Okay,
the sound.
now you make the sound.
Bear.
It's
Bear.
nearly the same with the
Goat.
goat.
It's a bit very similar,
Yeah,
teacher.
alright.
Alright. So today, kids will be learning about farm animals. So be excited about this. Stay tuned, okay? We'll be right back after this break on Didik TV KPM. Kids, you're watching Didik TV KPM with me and teacher Rahmah today, and today we'll be learning about farm animals. Just now I searched for the animals and I found a chicken, and also after that I found, what is this, kids? What is this? Okay, this is a cow. Alright, and then I found another animal which makes the sound quack quack quack, which is this one, a duck. And then the fourth animal is a goat, which makes the sound similar to a sheep, like bleh, bleh, but not so bleh. That one is a sheep, which I found also. This is a sheep, kids, okay? So today we'll be learning about these animals, and perhaps we'll be learning the words as well to pronounce them clearly. Right, Teacher Rahmah, can we continue with our lesson for farm animals today?
Okay, since you have found all the animals that was mentioned in our song, okay, Shafika, can
Yes,
you please
teacher.
paste it on the whiteboard?
I will, can.
All right.
Thank
All
you.
of them.
All right, I'll first paste the sheep. Okay, teacher.
Okay. All right. The next one?
The next one.
Okay, we'll go one by one then.
We can go one by one,
We can
teacher.
go one by one. Okay.
All right.
What is the name of the animal?
This is a sheep, teacher.
Okay, this is a sheep. Very good. You got it right.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now, how
Okay.
does a sheep, can you tell me
All right, teacher.
how to spell sheep?
How to spell sheep? Okay. S-H-E-E-P.
Yes, you're very
correct?
good. Yeah.
Thank you, teacher.
All right. This
Okay.
is the spelling of sheep.
Sheep.
Okay. It is S-H-E-E-P. Sh.
Sheep.
Okay. Focus on the red color. Shh. Okay. All right. Now let me
Okay.
paste it.
All right, teacher. So the sound it makes, S-H, is shh.
Okay. Next one.
Okay, next,
You
teacher.
take the next one.
Let's take the chicken.
Okay.
Okay. I'll paste it here, easier for teacher.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Shafika has pasted a chicken,
Chicken.
on the board. Okay, now let's spell the word chicken. Do you know how to spell the word chicken?
I can try, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken.
Is it right?
I'm correct again. Another reward.
Congratulations.
Thank you, teacher.
The spelling is CHICKEN, chicken. And we are focusing on the red color of sound. It is ch. CH, ch.
Ch.
Okay, the initial sound of chicken is ch. Okay. Shafika, please
Yes?
paste it on the board.
Okay, teacher. Ch.
Okay, now I'll take the third one. Okay,
Alright.
this is a
goat, teacher.
yes. This is a goat. Okay, how do you spell goat?
How do I spell goat?
Ah.
G-O-A-T.
Okay, you are
teacher.
right.
Okay,
you
right
are
again.
right. Okay, now this is how you spell goat. This is how you spell goat. Okay, G-O-A-T. But the sound of the the initial sound of the word is g,
G.
g,
G.
g. Okay, now let me paste it.
Okay, teacher. Alright, since kids out there, when you pronounce the word, make sure you see how teacher Rahmah pronounce it with her mouth, okay?
Okay, now
This is a cow, teacher.
Okay, this is a cow. Okay, a cow has 4 legs. Okay, everybody knows.
Yes.
Okay, but how to spell a cow? You know how to spell a cow? Can anybody help me to spell a cow?
Kids, try to spell cow.
Oh.
Okay, Shafika try.
All right, thank you, Kak
Okay.
Shafika.
Okay, I will help kids out there. How to spell cow? C-O-W.
Very good. The
Yes.
spelling is C-O-W. C-O-W. But how do you say the initial sound? How do you say the first sound of the word? C is, the sound is k. 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 Okay, Kak Shafika, can you
Right.
repeat the sound? Very good.
So teacher, even though it says there is a letter C, it's not always ch.
No, ch is for C and H.
H. Chicken.
Ch.
So this is just a C, so it's k.
Okay, do you know any other words that start with C?
That starts with C. I know car.
Yes, very
Yes.
good. Okay. How do you spell a car?
How do I spell a car?
Okay,
C-A-R.
very good.
Car.
Then how do you say the initial sound of car?
Ka, ka, ka. Is that correct?
K.
K. Oh, it's K.
Okay, it's K.
K.
All right. Now
the
the
same as
last
cow, yeah, teacher?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
The first sound
The
is the
first
same.
sound. Okay.
All right. Now is the last animal that Kak Shafika has found. Okay.
Yes.
All right. This is a duck. Okay. Please paste
Paste it, okay.
Do you know how to spell a duck?
I know, teacher.
Okay, very good.
I will help kids out there, okay? D-U-C-K.
All right, duck. Okay. All right, duck. D-U-C-K is the spelling of the word
Okay.
duck. But the first letter, the first sound or the initial sound is d. 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 Right?
Okay.
All right. That's all for the.
How? So, teacher, these are all farm animals, right,
Yeah,
teacher?
they are all farm animals.
How do we know the difference? Maybe to identify a farm animal. Are dogs and cats farm animals, teacher?
No, they are not.
They are
Dogs
not.
and cats are not. Dogs and cats are domestic animals.
Domestic animals.
They are domestic animals. We can keep them in our house. But all these
Okay.
animals, we keep them in the farm.
Okay.
All right.
Now, teacher, before we move on to a storybook that we'll show in a minute, I want to ask you, teacher, farm animals, are they dangerous?
No,
No,
farm
they're not.
animals are not dangerous. They are
Okay.
tame animals that we have to take care of them, love them, cuddle them, carry
Yes.
them, and we cannot carry them. Sorry.
They're too heavy, teacher.
Yeah, they're too heavy.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
But be kind to them because they need our love. Okay.
Okay, kids. Now that we've learned how to pronounce the first word of each farm animals, let's take a look at this Binti to read a storybook.
I'm gonna tell a story about Buck George by Joseph. Buck George. George mother says, Buck George. George went meow. No, George, said George mother. Cats go meow. Dogs go ruff. Now, Buck George. Buck George. George went quack, quack. No, George, said George's mother. Ducks go quack, quack. Dogs go ruff. Now, Buck George. George went oink. No, George, said George's mother. Pigs go oink. Dogs go ruff. Now, Buck George. Now, I am going to continue reading the story. George's mother took George to the vet. I'll soon get to the bottom of this, said the vet. Please bark, George. George went meow. The vet reached deep down inside of George and pulled out a cat. Bark again, George. George went wait, wait. The vet reached deep down inside of George and pulled out a dog. Bark again, George. George went oink. The vet reached deep down inside of George and pulled out a pig. Again, George. George went moo. The vet put on his longest latex glove. Then he reached deep down inside of George. Now I am going to continue reading the last part. Stay tuned, friends. Bark again, George. George went moo. The vet put on his longest latex glove. Then he reached deep down inside of George and pulled out a cow. Bark again, George. George went off. George's mother was so thrilled that she kissed the vet, and the cat, and the duck, and the pig, and the cow. On the way home, she wanted to show George off to everyone on the street, so she said, "Bark, George." And George went, "Hello." And that's the end of the story. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? Thank you for listening, friends. Bye.
Such adorable kids reading a storybook about George, who it seems that Teacher Rahmah couldn't bark, but when someone asked him to bark, he went meow, or he went quack, or he went moo. Even when he went to the vet, he still couldn't bark. And at the end, at the street, teacher, he even said hello. Teacher, why is that? What happened to George?
Okay, do you like the story,
I
Shafika?
love it. It's
Alright.
very nice.
Okay.
Very cute. Cute story.
I personally love the story.
Okay.
Okay, now before we proceed, can you tell me how many animals are there mentioned in the story?
I think there are, first I heard a duck,
Okay.
and then a cow, and then a dog, and a cat, and also an oink. Oh no, I didn't hear a dog. I heard an oink. I think it's about 5 animals, teacher. Or 4. 4 animals.
it's only
Sorry,
four
4 animals
animals.
in the storybook.
Which went into the
Which went into the tummy of George.
Oh yes,
That
you got
is
it right.
wise.
Thank you.
So
okay.
when the vet went deeper into his throat, they found the animals, teacher.
one by
One by one.
How do the vet extract the animals from George's tummy?
He went with his hand.
Yes.
So and then pulled out one by
Yes.
one. The animal
Okay.
one by one.
Yeah. Deep.
Deep.
Depends on the size of the animals. Okay.
Okay, teacher. All right.
Now, the additional words that we didn't mention here.
Okay.
Okay. What are the words? What are the animals?
Pig. Is
Okay,
that right?
yes, pig.
And then we had also a horse, teacher. Did we have a horse, kids? Did we have a horse just now? Oh no, teacher. Sorry. I think we had a cat.
A cat. Yes.
A cat, teacher.
All right.
And then?
Now, cat and dog are not. Cat and dogs are not farm animals. They are
Okay.
domestic animals, like I tell you before.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Pig. Okay, we have pig.
Okay.
Okay. How do you spell pig?
Okay, teacher. P-I-G.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Yes, you are right.
Yay.
Okay, P-I-G. But the first letter, you must try saying the initial sound of the first letter. Okay. What is the first sound of the letter?
Can I try?
Yes.
Okay, I think it sounds like this, teacher. P. P. Is that correct? Or P?
It's P.
P.
It's P.
P.
Okay. For
Okay.
the letter P, you sound it as P.
Okay.
So these are all our initial sounds.
Okay.
But I didn't finish with the story.
Yes, you did
Okay.
it. Let's hear the rest of the story.
No, they have finished telling the story.
We
Now I'm
have
asking you.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure, teacher. Ask me.
All right. Okay. Why George make the first sound different from what he thinks? Different
Okay.
from what the mother wants him to say. Why?
I think it's because there was an animal inside of him.
Yes, you're very clever. Thank you, Kak Syafiqat.
Okay.
Yes, the first animals that was taken out from George, tummy was a cat.
Was a cat.
Okay. Then the next one is a
Was a moo, teacher.
yes. It's a no. It's not a moo.
It's not a moo.
It's not a moo. The second one is
Okay.
the cat.
Was it an oink, teacher?
Yes.
Just now we learned, kids. P-I-G, pig, which
Okay.
makes the sound oink. So that
Okay.
was the sound George was making.
Yeah. What was the last animal? The biggest animal was taken out from George.
Goodness. Okay, I think it was a cow, teacher.
You are right. Okay, very good, Kak Syafiqah, for
Right.
for the
Yes.
answer.
Okay,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay,
Alright.
now since we have finished,
Okay, since we have
can you
finished this
say
part.
out one by one?
Yes, let's
Say the name of the animals and then the initial sound of the words.
Yeah, sure, teacher.
Okay.
But kids, I know you would like to hear me say the sounds from these animals. But first, let's take a short break. Go get your drinks and food, and we'll be right back on Didik TV KPM. Welcome back, kids, to on Didik TV KPM, and today you'll be learning about farm animals. And just now we talked about the examples of farm animals such as the chicken, the sheep, goat, cow, and many others. And right now we will be learning more about farm animals with teacher Rahmah still in the studio. Okay, teacher, what are we gonna do today?
Okay. Shafika?
Yes?
We stop just now. I would like to
Repeat back this.
And repeat this, and please say the word, say the name of the animals.
Okay.
And say the initial sound of the animals.
Okay, kids, for you out there, please join me to say the sound of the animals, the name of the animals, and also the sound of the first letter. Okay, kids, let's go. The first one is a sheep. So the sound SH is sh.
Yes.
Sh, like you're whispering. Sh. Okay. Sh. Okay, and then the next one is goat. All right, teacher. Goat is spelled with a G, and G is G. G. Is that correct, teacher Rahmah?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, and the next one, teacher, up here is a chicken, and then chicken is spelled with a C and H as the first two letters. So how do you say it, kids? Ch, ch, ch.
Yes,
there you
it's
go.
ch.
Ch.
Okay, good, very good.
Okay, the next one is a cow. Begins with the letter C, so you say it as, teacher? Oh, k. K. There you go. Say it as k. Okay, and the last one is a quack. Quack. What is it, kids? A duck. All right, and it starts with the letter D, and you say it as d.
D. Yeah, d. It's d. Okay, very good, Kak Shafika.
Thank you, teacher.
All right, now we will move to the next activity.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think we're going to learn?
Okay, on this table here, teacher, I see eggs, I see shapes, and also I see cotton buds. Okay, maybe we're going to learn more about one animals. Is it so, teacher?
Yeah, you are right. Okay, so after this, we're going to learn about life cycle of a chicken.
Chicken.
We are going to learn life cycle of a chicken.
Okay.
Okay. Can you play this instrument?
Oh yes.
We are going to sing.
Okay.
A
song.
All
right. About chickens.
About the life cycle.
The life cycle. Okay, teacher.
But you must remember, because I'm going to ask you after this, what you have heard, and you have to find the pictures.
Okay. I will do that. When we're singing, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do that.
You just remember.
I will.
Okay.
All right. I'll play this instrument.
Okay, you just shake. Okay, do you know the melody? Yes, okay, that's the melody.
All right, teacher.
Okay, now let's start. 1, 2,
3.
Go. The chicken lays an egg in her nest. The chicken lays an egg in her nest. The chicken lays an egg. The chicken lays an egg. The chicken lays an egg in her nest. Okay, very good.
Okay, all right.
The chicken sits on the egg, keeps it warm. The chicken the chicken sits on the egg, keeps it warm. The chicken sits on an egg. The chicken sits on the egg. The chicken sits on the egg to keep it warm. Okay, next. What will happen?
All right, after sitting on the egg.
You don't know?
I'm
Okay.
not sure, teacher.
All right, let me sing again. I will continue.
All right, continue, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Where is it?
Oh,
Can you find? Can you find the first two?
yes, I think I can.
All right.
Okay, first of all, it was about the chicken.
The
teacher.
chicken.
Am I correct?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so we have first the chicken from the song. So that means we can paste it here, teacher. Is that okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let-
I think I'll take this off first. Okay.
Okay, I'll help
And then
you.
afterwards, teacher, it lays an egg. Was that correct? The teacher lays an egg.
the
The
teacher.
chicken. Oh my goodness, sorry, teacher. I mean the
teacher
chicken
never
lays
lays
the
an
eggs.
egg.
Yes.
Okay, very funny.
Sorry, teacher.
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's
No
put this
problem.
up here. The chicken
Okay.
lays an egg. All right, teacher, are we going to sing more?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll continue. You continue
With my
shaking. I'll
instrument.
continue singing.
Okay, teacher.
The-
1, 2, 3.
Okay. The egg in the nest go crack. The egg in the nest go crack. The egg in the nest. The egg in the nest. The egg in the nest go crack. Okay, which one?
Okay, the eggs in the nest go crack. Ta-da! Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yay! And then we put it here. Chicken life cycle.
Okay.
The crack is the hatchling, teacher.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, now we will continue.
Let's continue, teacher.
Okay.
All right.
The chick in the,
The next
egg
set.
comes out.
Aha.
The chick in the eggs comes out. This one.
Aha.
The
Okay.
chick in the
Egg
eggs. The
comes
chick
out.
in the eggs. The chick in the eggs come out.
Okay, there you go. We found the chick already here, and this is almost complete, teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
Never mind. We'll see whether it's right or wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, teacher. What's
Yeah.
next? We have one more, teacher, actually.
Oh.
This one. I think we
Okay. I'll
missed this
see
one.
whether it's still there.
Okay.
The chick becomes a rooster or a hen.
Oh.
The chick becomes a rooster or a hen. The chick become a rooster. The chick become a hen. The chick become a rooster or a hen. Which one?
Okay. It becomes
Okay.
a rooster or a hen.
Okay.
All right, teacher. So this cycle is complete. That means it becomes a bigger form.
Mother hen.
Mother hen. Okay.
And the other one, if the rooster,
The rooster. Where is
this
the
is the
rooster?
mother hen.
This is the mother hen.
The rooster is the father hen.
The rooster is the father hen, kids.
Okay,
All
that's
right.
all. Thank you.
Teacher, can
Okay.
you talk a bit about the cycle? Which one is the first cycle? Okay. So that means, kids, we can see here it starts with the chicken, and then the eggs, the embryo, the hatchling, and also the
Yes,
chick.
very good.
And then it will grow
Okay.
into an adult chicken.
Okay, you're good. Okay, now I would like for you
Yes.
to paste this.
Okay.
To paste where is the life cycle
Life cycle. Okay, teacher.
sentences.
Teacher, can I ask one question? Since we learn about the cycle, what is the lifespan of a chicken?
Okay, the lifespan of a chicken.
Or maybe at what age does a chicken usually lay eggs?
18 months.
18 months.
Yes,
Oh,
18
okay, okay.
months.
I
Okay.
see.
All
Okay,
right.
teacher, let's paste that one.
Okay, now you have to choose which one is suitable
Okay.
for the picture.
All right.
According to the
Okay, so the
according
first
to
one, the words, the sentence here.
the sentences.
Right now, I
Okay.
have, it says, hen lays egg.
Okay.
Right, teacher.
All right. Now try where to paste it.
Okay, I think this is the first part, teacher. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
So I'll paste it here, teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you. The next one.
Next one, anything. I can choose anyone, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You must get it correct.
Oh, I have
If
to
not,
make it-
you cannot get
okay.
your rewards.
Okay, I want my reward. Okay. After. Okay, just now with the song, Teacher Rahmah said the hen sits on the egg to make it warm, teacher.
For how many days?
For 21 days.
Yes, very good.
Okay, so we put it here to show that.
Okay, mother hen will sit on the eggs in the nest to keep them warm for 21 days. We call this process a roosting.
Roosting. Okay, teacher, next we have Okay. After 21 days. Because here is mentioning 21 days. So after 21 days, the chicks will pack their way out. Can I put it here? Okay, I think it's like this, teacher?
Okay, you're right.
All right.
Very good.
Okay.
Next one.
When it comes out of the egg, it is wet and later it is all fluffy and pretty. Is that correct, teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
You can put it here.
I'll put it here.
Okay, we move the mother hen.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. And last one, the new chick is either a hen or a rooster.
Yes.
All right. We'll just put it here, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. All right, there you go.
Okay. So, do you understand the whole cycle of a chicken?
I understand now, teacher.
Okay, very good. This is the life cycle of a chicken.
Okay. All right, teacher. So what are we going to do next?
Okay. Since we have finished with this, we are going to. I will tell more about this.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. First, mother hen will lay some eggs in the nest. Okay. She will keep the eggs very
Warm.
to keep it warm. She won't let anybody touch the eggs.
Okay.
Next, she will sit on the eggs for 21 days. Okay. After 21 days, but before the 21 days is over, you do not go and disturb. You cannot touch. You cannot disturb the eggs because this will make the mother hen
Angry.
Yes.
She will be angry.
Okay, sure. She wants to protect her eggs. Okay, now an embryo has formed in the egg. Okay, when she have sit on the egg for 21 days, the embryo has formed in the egg. Towards the end of the roosting is the period where mother hen sits. Sits there, and then she will go out to get her food, come back, sits again on the eggs for 21 days.
Okay.
A chick will peck. A chick will peck and the eggshell. The chick will peck from the eggshell and come out.
Okay.
Okay, she just got released from the egg, and what she will do? What do you think she will do?
She will go chup 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 chup. Is that correct? And then push out
the
shell.
She will just yawn and
Yawn.
stretch herself
Okay.
or himself. Okay. And the new chick is either a rooster or a hen.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, I heard someone tell us just now we were going to sing a song, teacher. Or we're going to do an activity that involves a chicken song. Is that correct?
Okay. There is no singing, only
dancing.
Okay. Yes, you're right.
So we are going to do some craft on the table as well at the same time, teacher?
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
All right. Where
Alright,
is our
teacher.
things? Okay. Today we are going to make a craft
Okay.
about a shape. A craft.
Shape. Okay.
Okay. Can you see crafts around our
In
place?
front of the table, teachers?
Yeah.
Yes, there are
Okay,
animals.
there are animals. Okay, there are a lot of animals. Okay, what kind of craft have you made before?
I always make origami using papers,
yes.
but never an animal before. Maybe,
Okay.
teacher, you can teach me.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Okay, now let's start with.
Some of the things that we are going to use today.
Do you use like online shopping?
I do, teacher.
Okay,
Very much.
I'm sure you are so familiar with this. What do you call this?
This one is a bubble wrap. Is that correct?
Thank you. That is the correct answer. Okay. Why bubble wrap? Why did I use bubble wrap?
Why, teacher?
Why?
Please tell us.
Tell me please.
Please, teacher.
Okay, we use bubble wrap. This is a kind of activity for soft motor skills. Okay, so when you use this, children likes to play. Even I know you also like to play. Even people around us, they love to play this.
Yes.
Okay, but this is one kind of activity that will help their fine motor skill. Okay, all right. Now let's start.
All right.
Okay, first Never mind, don't worry.
Okay.
I prepared some bubble wraps.
Oh, already cut
template.
in a flower,
Yes,
teacher?
yes.
Okay.
So now, you just paste this bubble wrap. Paste the bubble wrap.
Paste the bubble wrap on the sheet.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it together.
Okay, let's do it, teacher.
Okay. Okay. No,
Alright.
faster.
Faster, teacher.
Faster.
Yes.
You go, then you go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, you
And
first
then
and then
where
me.
is my... Oh, it's here. Okay, this is cotton ball.
Okay, teacher.
You just put the cotton... no. Before that, look.
You paste the bubble wrap first, teacher. Okay, so we have the bubble wrap and then we paste it on
we paste it on
the drawing of the sheep.
the template.
Okay, teacher.
All right.
Okay.
Then, if you want to cut, you can cut it now. If you don't want to cut, you can wait later.
Okay, I think I'm going to wait, teacher.
Okay.
Because I cannot wait to put on the cotton bud on the sheep.
Okay.
Because I love the fur.
Alright.
So soft. Okay.
Yeah, you're
Alright,
right.
teacher.
Okay, now your turn.
Okay.
You don't want to put it to...
I think you have to
cover.
put it. Oh,
To cover
right.
all.
Okay,
you
cover
can
it.
use this.
I can overlap, teacher.
No problem.
Like that? Okay. So
But
I
put the
more
gum.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Alright.
After you have put the... Okay, once again.
Okay.
Gum, glue, anything.
So kids,
That
we are using glue today for this activity, teacher. Okay. Alright,
Okay,
teacher.
then start paste
The cotton.
Yes, go
Cotton
fast,
bud.
fast.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, so I'll put
I want to see who
glue
finish first, you or
on
me?
top. Teacher, I'm
I
very
want to
slow
wait
at
for
doing
you.
this activity.
Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Actually, I will wait for you.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Alright,
I'll take
now.
some cotton buds here and then just paste it here. Alright. So as
Okay,
I'm
kids at home, you can use cotton ball, or just a fine cotton, or which is the longer in size. You can
Okay.
just pull,
Okay.
and paste it.
Oh, I need to pull, teacher.
You need to pull?
I've done it wrong.
It's okay, no problem.
So just pull it first like this
You
and then
can.
just paste it. So otherwise it won't be so big.
Yeah.
Alright, teacher.
Alright.
I'm loving this activity. It's very fun, kids. I hope you
Okay.
all are doing this together. As we are doing this, let's first take a short break and then when we return, we'll continue doing our animal, okay? See you right back on Didik TV KPM. Hi kids, and you're still tuned in to Didik TV KPM. Today we're learning about farm animals and with teacher Rahmah here, and we learned how to the cycle process of a chicken, and also just before the break just now we learned how to make a, what is this kids? A sheep. Okay, teacher?
Yes,
Right.
it is called a bubble wrap sheep craft.
Bubble wrap sheet craft. The reason why it's bubble wrap, teacher, because it has a layer of bubble wrap and also cotton balls in front of it.
Okay, like I said before, bubble wrap is good because it helps the fine motor skill or the soft motor skill of our kids. Okay, you cannot force them to ride, to do other motor cross skill if they are not ready with their soft motor skill. So this will help them in writing neatly, writing nicely. Okay.
Alright.
One more thing
Okay.
about this craft is when they have finished, they will just press. Oh, can you hear the sound?
It goes
that is the
pop.
that is the best part of this craft.
Oh,
You can play with it.
It's very fun, teacher.
Yes.
Also,
Alright.
because it's soft, so I like to press it even more.
Oh,
Right,
you
teacher?
too? You-
Yes. And kids, also, when you do a sheep, how many legs does it have?
Yeah.
Ah,
How many
make sure
you
it's
can
4,
count.
okay, kids?
This is
One.
teachers.
Yes,
Ah.
that's teachers, and mine is in with the red stick with 4 legs. Okay, kids? All right, teacher.
Alright.
Okay.
All right, we have finished with this. Okay. Now.
Okay. Oh, teacher, I see something there. It's also a sheep.
All right.
Is it a
okay.
different way of
Besides
making it?
doing this, besides you come up with this template, the template of this sheep,
Okay.
a big sheep. You can also use roll,
Tissue roll.
Okay, unused tissue roll to make this craft. Okay, you can
Right.
use this, but you use the same materials.
Okay.
The glue, the cotton,
Okay.
and the templates.
Ah,
Okay.
teacher.
All right.
From what I see, it's a very slim sheep, and this one is perhaps a more happier sheep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, teacher.
Um,
So what have we learned today? For kids at home, what have we learned today?
Okay. What do you think we have learned today? From the
I think-
beginning.
Yes, at the beginning, I think we learned a lot, right, kids? We learned about how to name the farm animals.
Yes.
Right, teacher?
You recognize the farm animals?
And now I do. I know that dogs and cats are not farm animals. They're domestic animals.
Yes.
And then what else, teacher?
Okay, then we learn about the initials sounding the initial sounds. Okay. After sounding the initial sounds, we heard
A story about George.
George
Right.
Bob. The title of the story is Bob George. Okay.
Bob George.
And readers of the story was 3 preschoolers from my own school.
Okay.
And next, what did we learn?
Okay, teacher. As we can see from this board, we learned about the chicken life cycle.
Okay.
Right. And then we learned what happens in every step. Here, teacher.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, so how many steps are there in one cycle?
Okay, I think there are about 5 steps.
Yes, you're right.
Ah.
You're right, Shafika. Thank you.
Okay.
You're so awesome.
Thank you, teacher. Do I get my reward now? Or maybe later after this?
No, not before. Not, I'll give you now.
Oh, you give me
Okay,
now.
but finish our work
Let's
first.
finish our work first. Kids,
Okay.
remember to finish your work first, alright? Okay.
Okay, the last part is
Okay.
our craft.
Our
Okay, the
craft.
craft that we have created using unused materials or recycled materials. Okay,
Uh-huh.
they are templates of the sheep,
Bubble wrap,
a bubble wrap, cotton,
cotton ball, and
okay.
also this one is
the stick holder.
okay.
But you must remember, you have to use your scissors also. But make sure the scissors is not so sharp.
Okay.
Okay, because you might have a
Yes.
cut.
Okay, kids, be very careful when you use a scissors because make sure your parents are around when you are doing cutting. Okay, kids? All right, teacher. Now we've reached the end of the show. All right, teacher Rahmah, thank you so much for being with us today. We learned a lot about farm animals, right? Bye. Assalamualaikum.